Hello and welcome to the Codersarts. Today let's explore Image Text Analysis app, a simple and smart tool that helps you extract text from the images. This app is powered by AWS Textract, a powerful technology that read and understand text from the pictures. Let's see how it works. So this is the home screen of the app. It is clean and easy to use. Just we have followed the minimalistic design UI design pattern. To get started, just you have to drag and drop an images, or also you can click to upload. So this app will then scan the image and extract any text present inside it. Let's upload an image. You can choose any images from your computer. It could be photo, bill, document, store sign, or even a handwritten text. Okay, so let's upload one images. So inside this data set, I am uploading this one image, that is store image. Here, okay, so this is the notifications where the successfully uploaded or not. Okay, then you can see there is a different component. This is a processing time. Here is a preview of original images, and this one is analyze image. Okay, what are the different text extracted, and based on this text we have drawn a boundary boxes. Okay, so you can see what are the text present here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see all are all are drawn as a boundary box or rectangular boxes, okay, with red you can see, and all these are extracted. Okay, so how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all these are word. Okay, so you can see here. Also you can download in CSV format your data, extracted data, okay, and even in JSON format. You can, based on your need or how you want to further utilize the extracted text in your, based on your need and purpose. So how these are working? So once once the any image is uploaded, the app automatically start analyzing it. Just you might have seen this spinning one button that was extracting the data. Okay, this process is quick. Just you have just within a few seconds it will detect and extract the images from the text from the images. Let me show you another image. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this is analyzing the image. You can see how much time it took, like in just 2.82 seconds. These are the original image. This is the text, analyze the text detected. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, this one. Also you can see this is a single word, and also this word could be together as single sentence as well. Okay, so let me show you. And this one is confidence score. Confidence score means how accurately your data is extracted. Okay, if you have some doubt, you can validate your data if this data is extracted or text is extracted accurately or not. Based on the confidence score, you can just cross check. Okay, so this type is word. Okay, so single word you can see here. And also you might have seen this a single two word sentence. It could be a type of line. Okay, so you can see this is a line, this is a line. So basically this is a sentence, right? Versus single line, you might have seen this two word together. So this is detecting. Also this is working as a good accuracy score. Okay, accuracy means confidence score. All the above 99. Okay, so this is very good. Extractions accuracy here is 66.40. Again you can see the welcome to cross check. So this depend upon the quality of the images and how the text is clear and how neat and clean in this image, or how just based on the visibility of this text. Okay, you can see here. Let me upload some others one. You can see, let me upload this image. Okay, again analyzing the image. Okay, so 1.9 second, less than 2 seconds. Okay, so one text, two text, this one. Okay, you can see, and this is a single word. Okay, this could be a line, but I now is considering a single word, right? Sometimes it's treated as a line if there is two single word, two separate words. Okay, sometimes it could say as a word, sometimes could, mostly it's a line, but sometimes it's saying as a word. Okay, let me upload some other images I have. Okay, let me upload this one. Okay, so you can see the AWS, fine, 99, this is a single word, the text available in this image. Okay, Textract. Okay, let me upload this one. If able to extract the informations from text informations. Okay, you can see only able to extract these informations. Okay, yeah, these are also, this is line AI development queue. Okay, client. Okay, so you might have seen 2 times, right? So 2 times could be something in here like AI, no 2 times, AI is also AI is also here, AWS Textract. Okay, it could be a single word and also one single sentence in a line. Also you might have done this, you can see like one could be Amazon Textract, it could be 2 different word. Okay, again it could be separate Amazon, then Textract. Okay, you can see here, Amazon Textract. Again it could be together, as a single line, Amazon Textract you might have seen. Okay, so Amazon Textract line and in a single line. Okay, real world use case and the top client. Okay, so let real world use case is could be a single word, and also it could be all together in a, this will represent as a single line. Okay, and also it's showing as a queue, but it's just like, this is the image or icon, right? So let's see how is it showing. It's also showing as a word. Okay, fine, let me, and processing time is 2.33 second. Okay, anything else we can show you? Okay, again let's upload some different images. Okay, so you also can see here these all text from the images are extracted. Fine, with some customization, you can format your data like which data you needed, like you need only the line only or this word only. Okay, so you can match the words and line if you do not need some duplicate or single word. Okay, but how these are, basically these are giving the data, this AWS Textract techniques offering the output in this format. You can you can edit, modify it or customize based on your need. So I think this is the concept. Most of the things I will already explain. Let me upload this one image, how this is working. Okay, fine, you can see this is also extracting the images. This one icons is not because they basically this is image text analysis, so only analyzing the text. Okay, so you can see a different form. After downloading this data, let me show you. You can see here. Okay, I am going to check here. Okay, so first open in this one. You can see the data extracted in CSV file, also in JSON. Let me open this one in text notebook file, notepad file. Okay, so you can see data in JSON format in the value of key value pair, right? You see all this data, and based on this extracted data you can process it programmatically with the code based on your need. So this is how an image text analysis make text extraction simple, fast and accurate. So this tool is helpful for everyone. Just like if you are a business owner, this app can be used for a scan and process invoices, receipt and business documents. For a student and the researchers, they can extract from the books, handwritten notes or the PDF. Retailers and stores, they can use these apps to digitize their product labels, pricing tag and store signatures. Developer and AI enthusiasts integrate this app as a text extraction tool into their custom AI applications. But this is just a beginning. If you are looking to build AI powered applications, develop an proof of concept or POC, or you want to create an minimum viable product, or that is called MVP, to secure funding, our expert developer at Codersarts are ready to help you. Also more deeper, like AI automation solution, custom AI development you want to do, we can do for you. We specialize in AI solutions, automations and code and the custom integration tailored to your need. So thank you so much for watching this video and taking the time to explore this image text analysis app. We would love to hear from you if you are building a similar app or have idea on how we can improve. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Also, let us know how you would use this app or what the real world use cases you can think of. Your feedback helps us make AI solutions even better. If you are looking to develop an AI powered applications, whether it is for business solutions, automations, research, our team at Codersarts is here to help you. Connect with us today. Visit our website www.codersarts.com or email us at contact@codersarts.com. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can never miss our latest AI projects. So let's innovate together. See you in the next video.